parents, and welcome to Edu Fun Box. In this short video, I'm going to show you what you're going to find in your Edu Fun subscription boxes. Now, Edu Fun Box is a monthly educational subscription box with a difference. We are for children between the ages of 3 to 6 years old, and each box is theme-based. So this means that content and activities found in each box will have their own unique theme. Okay, so let's take a look and see what we're going to find in our Edu Fun subscription boxes. Your Edu Fun Box is your parents guide. Now your parents guide is going to give you insight into who Edu Fun is, why we have chosen to use the specific learning methods that we have, and will also give you a breakdown on how the box is laid out. Okay, so this is your go-to guide. It's also got our handles and how to reach us. Next, we're going to find our activity lists. Okay, and these are a whole bunch of play-based instructions, so instructions to play-based activities and games. Okay, and in each box you will receive new ones. So by the end of the 12 boxes, you're going to have a wide range of games to play with your kids, so you can always keep them entertained. And these games go alongside our picture cards. So in each box you will receive picture cards, but the theme will be different. So the picture cards, the vocabularies on the picture cards are going to be different. So for our first box, we have our cooking theme. So you can see we've got our big and our small picture cards that are based around the cooking theme. And there are 2 sets of each, so that where the games are requested to play in pairs or groups, you can play with them in the pairs and groups. You've got all the materials you needed. Now with the picture cards come our maths element 2. So we've also added some maths cards, and we've got an explanation card here too. So it explains what you can do with these cards. And there's 2 sets of them. We have broken the numbers up. In the first box, we go from 1 to 5. The next box, 6 to 10. And they continue up in that pattern. So they're also going to be our theme based. We've got some cookies for our cooking theme. And you can play pair games, matching games. And it's just a fun way of reinforcing numbers and recognizing the numbers that they will use when they get to their higher years in school. Next, we have our activity packs. Now, in each box, you're going to get 4 packs, and they're being divided into the weeks. So week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. You've got them here. They've also been color-coded. So they'll always have the same color. Week 4 is green, week 3 is pink, week 1 orange, and week 2 is blue. So it's easy for the parents and for the child to recognize what week they're going to be doing by the color. So in each book, we have divided it up into sections. When you open the book, it's going to explain to you what you're going to be doing in this pack. It's also going to give you a time allocation, so how much time should be spent on each pack. But again, this is subjective as it's up to your child, how long they take on each thing too. So the first thing you're going to see is your work pack, and these are just going to be activities that are going to reinforce the theme in the box in a fun and engaging way. It also works on some fine motor skills, like we work on writing practice. You've got some tracing activities in here. Next, we have phonics. Now, phonics is the sound that a letter makes. So the sound in the letter, the sound's name and the letter's name and the sound that it makes are different. They're not the same. So the letter A is called A, but the sound it makes is A. So we just introduce our basic sounds in this box, in our first 12 boxes. And our alphabet has been split over the 12 boxes. So your first box, you're going to get the sounds A, B, the letters A, B, C, and the sounds A, B, K. And then we've also added in some fun activities to just reinforce the concepts. And along with this comes some more picture cards, or little flashcards or activity picture cards that go along with the sounds, and you can play matching games, and it also goes along with the activity list, so you can play them with the play-based activities that are in your boxes. Okay, and each box will come with new phonics cards and new sounds. Next, we have our creative pack. And this is just a chance for your child to explore some new concepts. So what we do in our creative pack is we use different materials, unconventional materials, to paint. So using earbuds instead of paintbrushes, or our fingers and our feet, or using sand to make the paint. We also use the conventional method. So we also use paint, chalk, big chunky crayons. So we work on the gripping and the holding, developing the fine motor skills, as well as coloring. So it's just a chance for your child to calmly relax and work on their concentration skills in a different learning way. Okay, so the next thing I'm really excited about is our online activities. So each box is going to come with an online element, and this is going to be a few videos that go with our theme. Okay, so it's going to go with our theme, and we've got some worksheets that your children can do along with us. Now, I'm going to be taking over the videos, so it's going to be a time where your child is going to sit back and learn with me. They're going to go on a really cool learning journey where we explore the theme, we do some dramatic activities, we also learn about some environmental issues, as well as how to be a good person and to spread kindness. So that's the really cool part about the box, and a little bit of a difference that we have. And you can find our channel, our online videos on our Edu Fun YouTube channel, which is over here. This will be in your box too, which has all our handles and explains to you where you can find us and how you can contact us and how you can be a part of the Edu Fun community. So that's also a really nice thing. Let's see what we have next. There's still more. Next, we have our recipe book. Now, because our first box is a cooking theme, the recipe book is highlighted. So this means that there will be a few more extra activities in this book than there would be in another box. So our next box's theme, our box 2, is Wild Animals Safari. So what you will just get a recipe to add to this book. So each box you will receive a recipe. And then by the end of the 12 boxes, you'll have a recipe book filled with different recipes that you can do with your child. And this is a really, really great bonding experience. Cooking really lets you bond with your child and experience learning in a fun way too, because they're also learning. And all of this information on how they learn through these different avenues or different subjects will be in our parents guide and explains everything. Okay, so next, another thing that I'm really excited about is our books. So in each Edu Fun box, you will receive your very own book, okay, which is based on the theme. So in our first box, we've got the Magic Kitchen, and these books have been written by the Edu Fun creators, so they're very personal and theme related, and it's another way for your child to explore the cooking theme or the certain themes through a different way of learning. And it's really cool, and they've got pictures in, and we also have some puppet activities. Now, everything that you need for these activities can be found in your boxes. Okay, so everything you need will be in your box and will be clearly labeled, along with crayons, pencils, the erasers, glues, chalk, paint, whatever is needed for the activities will be found inside your boxes. And there's also some extra stickers where if they needed to do some decorating or art activities, they've got extra. The last difference about the Edu Fun box is our optional extras. So with each box, there's going to be an optional extra, which is based on the theme. In our first box, our cooking theme, our optional extra is our chef's hat and our apron. Now, these are, like I said, optional extras that can be added on to your child's learning journey with us. Oh, and they just add a little fun to when you're doing some of your activities. For our next box, our Wild Animal Safari box, we have the sweetest little backpacks that can be used with some of the activities, but again, it's an optional extra. Thank you for joining me while we've gone through our Edu Fun subscription box. It's been a fun and exciting journey for sure, and we cannot wait to see how your children continue to learn on their learning journey and how they learn to think out the box.